news coming in. A massive fire that was reported in a textile factory in Bommasandra area of Bengaluru. The entire industrial area that is smoky as fire has engulfed every side. Emergency workers who are on the spot, several workers who are feared to be trapped inside the factory. In fact, fire personnel who are also at that site trying to douse off that fire. Those are the pictures Republic has accessed after fire that broke out at that textile factory in Bengaluru. Let me cut across to Sri Lakshmi joining us live from the Kannada newsroom to take us through the details of what caused this fire in the first place and what is the current status.
Well, Suesha, the reason for the fire, Mishap, is not yet known, but fire broke out a few moments earlier, and the whole industrial area is completely covered by fog, and it has created a lot of panic and anxiety over there. Fire engines have been rushed to the place, and police have been rushed to the place, but the reason for the fire is not yet known. Police are trying to find it out, and now the biggest worry is there is a doubt that many workers who are stuck inside are still there inside the industrial area. It's a big challenge for these fire engine and safety workers to get them out. Many more details are awaited, Suesha. Nearby places, many companies and many walk-in hotels are there, and fire is fast spreading over there also. So it has been estimated that many crores of rupees have been lost. The amount, the materials worth rupees many crores have been burnt. Much more details awaited, Suesha.
Continue talking to us also about how the surrounding areas are. Are there a lot of people who are living nearby, or is this a hardcore industrial area in terms of efforts to douse off that fire? How far have the fire personnel been successful? What time did they reach? What more details do you have?
Suesha, it is not known that whether these fire safety precautions were taken or not. It is not known that whether these, fire safety measures which have been, the rules which have been laid by BBMP over here have been seriously followed or not. But if you look at the massiveness of the whole incident, we can see that the fire is so massive and not easy to control. So it's fast spreading to the nearby buildings as well. And crores of rupees material of textile industry are burnt, and there's also fear of this chemical industry are there. So many chemical industries are there nearby. There's also fear of this fire getting spread in a very quick way. Police are trying to this fire engine, people are trying to, safeguard the workers who are stuck inside.
Yes.
So,
all right, many thanks for getting us those details. So far, prima facie information coming in that there have been no casualties. Of course, we await what the official details are. I'll keep coming back to you for further updates. For the moment, thank you for joining us.